Students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This question is case study question from chapter coordinate geometry. Question is, students of a school are standing in rows and columns in their playground for a drill practice. A, B, C and D are the position of 4 students which is given in the figure. So here it is A, B, C and D. Let us first find the coordinates of A, B, C, D. Here for A, x coordinate will be 3. So for A, position will be 3, 5. For B, it will be x coordinate will be 7 and y coordinate will be 9. For C, x coordinate will be 11 and y coordinate will be 5. And for D, it is 7, 1. So these are the coordinates for these 3 points. Now let us discuss the questions. What are the coordinates of position of A and B? So as A is 3, 5 and B is 7, 9. So it is first point here. Answer is first option 3, 5 and 7, 9. Second is BD are apart a distance. So we have to find the distance between B and D. So you can see B and D are in a straight line along parallel to y axis. So directly we can count their this coordinate, y coordinate. So this is B, this is D. 9 minus 1, 9 minus 1 is 8. So distance between B and D is 8 units. Midpoint of AD. So for this we will use the formula because this is A is 3, 5 and D is 7, 1. So we can use here midpoint formula. So by using midpoint formula, the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So here x1 is 3 and x2 is 7. So 3 plus 7 by 2 and y1 is 5, y2 is 1 by 2. So it becomes 10 by 2 and 6 by 2. So which equals to 5 and 3. So 5 and 3 are the midpoint of AD. So midpoint of AD is 5.3 means which is fourth option here. Now distance between CD. So again to find the distance between CD again we will use here we will use distance formula. So now coordinates of C are 11 and 5, coordinates of D are 7, 1. So this is distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square in the square root. So here x2 is 7, so it is 7 minus x1 is 11, so 7 minus 11 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square. So when we subtract these, 7 minus 11 it become minus 4 whole square and here again minus 4 whole square. So when we do the square, so this square, because square of negative is positive, so 16 plus 16 which equals to root 32 and root 32 if you break this it becomes 16 into 2 in the square root and 16 is a perfect square of 4, so we can write here 4 into 2. So this is the distance between CD. So let us check the answer now. This second part is the answer. Last is how sides of quadrilateral ABCD are equal. Here it will be how many sides of quadrilateral ABCD are equal. So let us check how many sides are equal. So for quadrilateral ABCD, we have already calculated CD which is equals to 4 root 2. This is CD which is 4 root 2. Now we will calculate AD, AB and BC. When we use a distance formula to find the distance between AD, so it is again 4 root 2 by this distance formula. AB again by distance formula it is 4 root 2, and BC by distance formula again it is 4 root 2. So all the sides are equal here. So the answer is all the sides are equal. You have to use the distance formula to find the distance. For this ABCD, you to find when coordinates are given, coordinates of all these points are given, you have to use distance formula here, and by using distance formula all the sides are equal. So we will write here that all the sides are equal. So third option.